Understanding sliding door van. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll explore the phrase, sliding door van. We often come across different types of vehicles in our daily lives, and it's important to know how to talk about them in English. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or just chatting with friends, understanding these terms can be very helpful. Let's dive in. A sliding door van refers to a specific type of van. This van is characterized by one or more doors, especially on the side, that open by sliding horizontally, rather than swinging outwards like regular doors. These vans are popular for their convenience, especially when loading and unloading goods or passengers in tight spaces. Sliding door vans are known for their practical design. Here are some features that make them stand out. Spacious interior. These vans offer a lot of room inside, making them ideal for carrying cargo or passengers. Ease of access. The sliding doors make it easier to enter and exit in crowded places, like parking lots or busy streets. Versatility. They are used for various purposes, including delivery services, family vehicles, and even as makeshift campers for those who love road trips. You might encounter sliding door vans in different scenarios, such as delivery services. Companies use these vans for delivering parcels and goods due to their space and ease of access. Public transport. In some places, smaller sliding door vans are used as a form of public transport, known as minibuses. Personal use. Families often prefer these vans due to the space they offer, making them suitable for family trips or transporting sports equipment. I hope this video helped you understand what a sliding door van is and where you might see one. These vehicles are quite versatile, and knowing about them can enrich your English vocabulary, especially when talking about different types of vehicles. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering English in no time. See you in the next lesson.